What's up, guys? Looking for crystal clear, powerful sound that fits anywhere? Then bookshelf speakers are just what you need. These compact sound machines deliver deep bass, crisp vocals, and rich tones, perfect for music, movies, or gaming. They're stylish, easy to set up, and blend beautifully with any room decor. Why settle for average sound when you can upgrade your home audio experience today? Don't wait. Bring home your bookshelf speakers and feel the difference. Number 5. Fosi Audio SP601 Passive Bookshelf Speakers. It's a powerful, stylish, and perfect for any home. Looking for a premium speaker that sounds amazing and looks stunning? The Fosi Audio SP601 Passive Bookshelf Speakers are the perfect choice for your TV, computer, desktop, or home theater. With 160W power and a beautiful wooden finish, these speakers turn your space into a rich audio zone. Incredible sound quality. Experience deep, clear, and detailed sound. The SP601 uses hybrid cone woofers made with a mix of paper and aluminum for perfect bass balance. The 1.5-inch silk dome tweeters deliver crisp highs and natural vocals, ideal for movies, music, or gaming. Elegant modern design. With its screw-free front panel and clean white finish accented by metallic orange, this speaker adds luxury to your room. It's stylish, minimalist, and built to match any modern setup. Easy to connect. The SP601 features dual-mode binding posts, compatible with both banana plugs and bare wires. Easily connect it to your amplifier or hi-fi system in seconds. No hassle, just great sound. Deep, balanced bass. Special bass reflex ports tuned through countless tests deliver clean, punchy, and rich low-end tones. Whether you're listening to jazz, rock, or movies, you'll feel every beat. Magnetic grills. Comes with removable magnetic wooden grills, stylish, protective, and easy to clean. Why you'll love it. Premium wooden design, 160W high-quality sound, powerful bass, clear treble, easy setup and connection. Bring your entertainment to life. Choose the Fosi Audio SP601 and enjoy studio-quality sound at home. The next is Number 4. Philips SPA20 Bluetooth Speaker. It's a 360-degree surround sound for your perfect workspace. Upgrade your audio setup with the Philips SPA20 Bluetooth speaker, designed to deliver rich, immersive 360-degree surround sound in a compact, elegant design. Ideal for computers, MacBooks, and laptops, this 2.0 stereo system transforms your workspace into a mini home theater with powerful clarity and balance. Built with a premium wooden cabinet, the SPA20 enhances sound depth, ensuring warm bass and crisp highs that metal or plastic speakers can't match. With Bluetooth 5.3, enjoy seamless wireless connectivity and stable transmission for smooth, high-quality streaming. No cables needed. The Philips SPA20 runs on USB power, making it easy to connect and play directly from your laptop or desktop. Whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or gaming, the two-way audio crossover ensures well-balanced sound across all frequencies. Simple yet efficient, this speaker doesn't rely on flashy extras, just pure sound performance. It's built for those who appreciate clean design and consistent quality. Key features: 360 degrees surround sound for immersive listening, Bluetooth version, 5.3 for stable wireless connection, power source, USB, cabinet material, real wood for richer acoustics, channels, 2.0 stereo, sensitivity, 75 decibels, built-in microphone, no, pure sound focus. Why you'll love it. Elegant wooden design with premium sound, perfect for computers, laptops, or MacBooks. Crisp highs, warm bass, and true stereo balance. Enjoy the perfect blend of style, simplicity, and superior audio. The Philips SPA20 makes every moment sound better. The next is Number 3. Bestisan 60W Gaming Bluetooth Speaker. It's a power, precision, and pure gaming vibes. Experience explosive sound and vibrant design with the Bestisan 60W Gaming Bluetooth Speaker, built for gamers and music lovers who crave deep bass and crystal clear highs. With a total power output of 50W 25W multiplied 2, this speaker delivers room-filling audio that enhances every explosion, soundtrack, and dialogue. Featuring Bluetooth, optical, and AUX inputs, it connects effortlessly to PCs, consoles, TVs, or mobile devices, giving you flexibility for all your entertainment needs. The infrared remote control and panel button controls make it easy to adjust settings or switch modes instantly. The stylish RGB LED display adds dynamic lighting effects that sync with your sound, creating an immersive gaming atmosphere right on your desk. Its 2.0 stereo channel design, 3-inch full-frequency drivers, and 1-inch dome tweeters ensure balanced audio from booming lows to crisp highs. Built with premium ABS and a metal grille, the Bestisan 60W speaker is not only powerful, but also durable and sleek. Its variable curvature inverted tubes enhance airflow for deeper, punchier bass, perfect for intense gaming sessions or movie nights. Key features: audio inputs, Bluetooth, optical, aux, power output, 50W 25W multiplied 2, frequency response, 40 Hz to 20 kHz, signal to noise ratio, 80 decibels, controls, remote plus panel buttons, RGB LED display for stylish gaming ambience, material, ABS plus metal grille, why you'll love it. Immersive sound for gaming and movies, deep bass and detailed clarity, RGB lights that match your setup. Bestisan 60W, where sound meets style. Level up your gaming experience today. The next is number 2. Edifier MR3 2.0 Monitor Speaker System. Bring studio quality sound to your home. Looking for powerful, crystal clear sound for your music, movies, or workspace? The Edifier MR3 2.0 monitor speaker system is designed to impress. With high-res audio certification, you'll enjoy every detail, from rich bass to sparkling highs, just like in a professional studio. Equipped with Bluetooth V5.4, the MR3 delivers smooth, stable wireless streaming with zero lag. Plus, it supports balanced TRS, RCA, and AUX inputs, making it perfect for computers, TVs, mixers, and more. You can even connect multiple devices at once with its multi-point connection feature. No need to keep switching cables. Control your sound easily through the Edifier Connect app, where you can adjust EQ settings and room compensation to match your space perfectly. Whether you're mixing audio, gaming, or just relaxing with your favorite playlist, the MR3 adapts to your environment for flawless sound every time. With 36W total output power, a frequency range of 52 Hz 40 kHz, and 85 decibels a signal-to-noise ratio, these speakers deliver power, precision, and balance like never before. Built to last and certified with CE and RoHS, the MR3 offers both reliability and performance. Why you'll love it. High-res audio clarity, Bluetooth 5.4 seamless streaming, multiple input options TRS, RCA, AUX, Smart App EQ, and room tuning. Powerful 36W output. Customer review. The sound is excellent, clear, rich, and full. Definitely worth the price. Upgrade your setup today with the Edifier MR3 and feel the difference in every beat. The next is number 1. AIYIMA S400 3-inch 80W high-power speaker. This high-power speaker brings premium sound quality in a compact and stylish design, perfect for desktop or home theater use. Built for audiophiles who demand both power and clarity, these bookshelf speakers deliver a truly immersive listening experience. Equipped with stereo sound mode, the AIYIMA S400 produces rich, detailed audio with balanced highs, mids, and deep bass. Despite its small size, the speaker delivers an impressive 80W high-power output, making it ideal for use with TVs, computers, or home theater systems. The USB input allows for easy connectivity, while the 2.0 channel setup ensures a full, natural soundstage. Crafted from durable iron and plastic materials, this speaker combines strength with style, ensuring long-lasting performance. With a DC power source and full-range audio crossover, it provides consistent sound reproduction across all frequencies. Though it lacks waterproofing or smart app control, its focus on raw audio performance and reliability makes it an excellent value for sound enthusiasts. Key features: input/output, USB, stereo sound mode for rich, immersive audio, output power, 80W with 100W peak capability, full-range audio crossover for balanced tones, durable iron and plastic build for lasting quality, Compact bookshelf design ideal for home or desktop setups. Customer review. Users praise the AIYIMA S400 for its powerful sound, deep bass, and crisp treble. One satisfied buyer said, "Perfect form factor for desktop use. Very powerful for such small speakers and excellent build quality." In short, the AIYIMA S400 is a superb choice for anyone seeking high-quality, hi-fi sound in a compact, affordable design, so this is the best option for you to buy.